Hello, my name is Noari McGowan, and this PowerPoint presentation is a quick guide to health literacy. Health literacy is the ability to obtain, process, and understand basic health information and services to make suitable health decisions. It's essential to promote healthy communities and people. Healthcare institutions and public health systems play a crucial role in health literacy because they can make it easier or more difficult for people to find and use health information and services. For the first time, national data that was collected demonstrated how current health information is too difficult for the average Americans to use to make health decisions. The quick guide to health literacy is for government employees, grantees and contractors, and community partners working in healthcare and public health fields. These tools can be applied to healthcare delivery, policy, administration, communication, and education activities aimed at the public to improve upon the understanding of healthcare. This guide contains a basic overview of key health literacy concepts, techniques for improving health literacy through communication, navigation, knowledge building, and advocacy, examples of health literacy best practices, and suggestions for addressing health literacy in your organization. The next two slides shows screenshots of the fact sheets the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services provides on basic health literacy. This image was taken from the same website. It demonstrates how 77 million American adults have basic or below basic health literacy skills. The next slide is a short animated video that I made to simplify the information provided by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Please enjoy. Goals for improving health literacy involve: is this information appropriate to users? This means we must identify the intended users based on who is affected, demographics, behavior, culture, and attitude. It also incorporates evaluating the user's understanding before, during, and after the introduction of information and services, and acknowledging cultural differences with practice respect. Is the information easy to use? This suggests we limit the number of messages and use plain language while focusing on action. You can also supplement instructions with pictures to make written communication look easy to read. Improving the usability of information on the internet is also recommended to improve written and oral communication. Are you speaking clearly and listening carefully? To do this, we must ask open-ended questions, use a medically trained interpreter when needed, and check for understanding. Participating in plain language and cultural competency training has also been proven to help when delivering health literacy education.